on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be working on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf R, and I got the owner here. Tell us more about it. When did you get it? Why did you get it?
I got this car from Pennsylvania. I actually found it on eBay. I was looking for a blue one or a white one, no black. I love the color. I was looking for something with, you know, decently low miles. It's got 34,000 on the clock. I bought it with 32.5. The first mod is lowering springs. Right now it's sitting pretty low, but you know, you can always go lower.
That's right. Drop it what, like about an inch and a half?
An inch, yeah, 1 inch.
Let's see what we got here. So from the fender to the top of the car, we're about inch and a half. Same thing, inch and a half. That'll tuck it in real nice. It'll be nice and flush with the fenders, and it still won't be rubbing because we're still using the same wheels, same correct offset. So it should be good. Here's the springs that we're using. These are what brand were these again?
These were Emmanuel design.
Emmanuel design. So yeah, you got the two rears, two fronts. Very basic, same thing, same procedure. We're using the two spring compressors.
Does it pass the shoe test? Yes. That's unacceptable.
Oh, that's because the parking breaks up.
I don't think that matters. Oh, this is not past the shoe test. I like this right here. This is good. I'm going over the curb. Yeah, we're going over the curb for sure.
It should be fine.
No, it's not. You couldn't even make it up. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get the front.
Сейчас.
Right.
You're good. It's not bad.
Well, it's good.
Yep. Look at this, huh? Do you like it?
Oh yeah. Looks good.
Check this out.
That's pretty low.
You know what would make
Not
it
a
look
big
better,
difference
though?
though.
You know what would make it look better?
Yeah.
If you got a higher profile wall, it's gonna close the gap.
If you install the spacers,
Oh yeah.
you wanna install the spacers?
Yeah, I mean,
Right, if you got
more money.
Like 10 millimeters?
you got
10? Maybe
Yeah.
7.
7?
Yeah.
Just something.
25 millimeters at home. You can sell.
So here's the result, guys. Write in the comment below if you like it.